In this video, I will show you how to find your Discord user ID. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. In this example, I'll be doing this on the Discord app, but the steps are the same if you prefer to use a web-based version of Discord. So the first thing you want to do is come across to Discord, log into your account. Then what you want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner and click onto the gear icon first of all to go into your user settings. Once you're in your settings, what you want to do is come across to the menu on the left hand side and scroll down to the advanced section. So you can see that's here, and then give that a click. And in here, what you want to do is go ahead and turn on developer mode. Once you've done that, what you can do is click onto the cross to close down your settings. And then all you need to do is come and click onto your profile down in the bottom left hand corner. And an option is going to come up saying copy user ID. So what you can now do is give that a click, and that's now copied, ready to go. And then you can hold down Control and V or Command V if you're on a Mac, and that's going to paste your user ID for wherever you need it. So that is how to find your Discord user ID. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.